today it is the 19th day of Christmas. And we're going out and doing some shopping because I am totally behind. I got 2 gifts so far. I haven't had time to go shop. And I have a chew in my mouth. Just in my hair. Here, Mama.
Hello.
Hear McConnell nuke her today and nuke this whole process. It really was classic.
I'll check back in with you in a little bit when I get this out of my mouth.
Wait a minute now.
Where's Carrie?
Oh, hello. I thought you were taking a picture.
Oh.
Would you?
She made a stocking. And
Write it down.
Somewhere, yeah, on the breaker where we have the list of breakers.
alright, so now I'm done with the ginger chew. Now I just got regular gum.
I like that. I forgot that. Is that
I need my card.
We're heading to some
It took
stores.
so long to pay bills that
And
I had
then
Sarah with me to do my shopping.
Back home, I guess.
Separately.
Then we're gonna go out later today. We're at the Dollar Tree. I'm looking for like Christmas cards, but I'm kind of lost as to where they would be. So we came down the birthday aisle, which I don't think they're gonna be down here. Ooh, unicorns. I love unicorns. Crate paper. Ooh, brings back some memories. Okay. Now we're in Penny's. Pretty. I have this. One of these. Similar. Whoa. Clearance, cheap stuff. Clearance. I love clearance stuff. Ooh. Just went to JCPenney's and then, well, you saw that video, and then Cracker Barrel, and then now we're heading to, where are we heading? Kohl's? Kohl's, and then probably Target.
What kind of car is it?
And then what? This yellow thing?
Yeah.
I don't know.
What is that?
It's a Crane Honda,
That's a Honda?
or is it a Hyundai?
Huh.
What's the
Which
H?
is it?
Volunteer.
Cute.
Volantor, Velotar, I don't know, something with a V and then ends with a R. Yeah, so we're having so much fun shopping. I'm getting nothing so far.
I'm getting stuff done. You did too. You got Cracker Barrel.
I didn't get
You
anything.
had to talk to someone.
Well, I've talked to my friends
Well,
at
you
Cracker
got
Barrel.
that.
Now we're in, oh my gosh, a fox. It's soft. Okay, so we're in Kohl's, and I am being very unsuccessful in finding stuff for people. I found Carrie one thing I have in my hand, which I can't show you. This is soft. And I'm trying to find a red shirt, and it's almost near impossible. I find just a solid plain red, or this kind of color. Oh gosh. The struggles. Now I'm just got through shopping at a store here at the Promenade at Little Rock, Arkansas. It's really fun here because everything's kind of really festive and there's a big tree. And then I'm trying to find this one place. I'm not quite sure where it's at, so I'm just kind of looking around here for a second. That place looks actually like a place I need to go to find a shirt I'm looking for. But I don't know, I'm gonna try this down here and see if I can find a certain place. If not, then I'm just gonna give up. We just went to Walmart and shopped. Carrie can't help me with some of the groceries though. We're stuck. No one's moving.
I know.
Come on.
Because they can't walk.
Oh no, not yet. Well, we made it off the parking lot, just giving you a little update. So we got stuff in the back.
A lot of stuff.
Shopping's fun. Especially when you're doing it, you know, quickly before Christmas because you haven't had time to shop before.
But at least it wasn't crowded. It's just
Yeah, I wasn't crowded at all.
time got the best of us.
Oh well, hey, we just
We're
live
done
every moment as it
today.
comes.
I got everything I needed to get for today. Oh, I didn't. I forgot one important item.
What?
Ketchup.
You forgot ketchup?
Yes, again.
Now we picked Carrie up and we're going to go eat out somewhere.
And go to TJ Maxx and Bryant.
Yeah, and I got my bangs are looking funny. Oh, that's pretty.
That Jean Ann gave me a
Mm.
long time ago.
Oh, shit. So that's what we're doing next. We're waiting on Mother right now at our house. Oh, I guess we'll film when we get to where we're going. Now we're here at Cracker Barrel.
Oh, breakfast.
Oh, we got a boring plain one. We like the frosted one. And there's a fire behind me.
What the heck?
What?
I think this is where you're sitting. Carrie found a rocking chair.
Doggone it. I hate that.
Here is our
Shemai. Ooh, I put salt on my sweet potatoes. I didn't mean to.
The Thursday special at Cracker Barrel is turkey and dressing with sweet potato casserole and another vegetable of your choice.
So good. I love
It's Carrie's favorite. Alright, we're gonna enjoy our meal now. Do you like the fire? Isn't it Christmassy? I love it. Look at this house we found. It's so fun.
I love the colors too. They're so whimsical.
Yeah. And it's noisy.
And like the projection of the
Yeah.
like snowflakes.
Look at this right here, over here.
I know, it's so pretty. I love it.
Oh, look at that house
That's
too.
cute.
Oh, that's a little quaint. I love the tree outside.
It looks so country.
Yeah.
so country.
Country.
It's
Country.
country.
It's like
Ain't it,
cornbread.
Barry? Yep,
Does this come out?
Crunchy
again?
cornbread.
Oh,
Hello, actually I'm going to bed now, so I'm saying goodnight. Today was a great day. That was so much fun. I went shopping a lot. I actually got a lot done, considering I basically only had 2 gifts until today. I feel better, but I'm still behind on my shopping, so I gotta go out again to finish up, which this is a lesson for everybody. Don't get stressed out trying to find gifts for your family or whatever. Gifts should just be from the heart. They don't need to be, you don't need to have like, 1,000 gifts each for your family to realize or to let them know how much you love them. It's the thought that counts. And I truly believe that, especially because I haven't had time to go out and get them a lot of stuff. So I'm just saying that the thought is the thought that counts. And so yeah, I'll be going out again sometime. I might shop around tomorrow a little bit, but I have ideas of what I'm going to get everyone. I just gotta do it. That's usually how it works with me anyway. I have ideas and then I'll just go out and get it. I didn't do any online ordering this year. I'm just behind. I'll see if I can do any kind of online and get it in time, but I don't know. It's kind of late now because we're going into the 20th day of December, or the 20th day of Christmas, which is tomorrow. And I'll be at work from 11 to 7 and not much time to stop. Anywho, watch this. I can do some magic for you. See my finger? See it? I'm gonna take it off. Took my finger off, I can see it better. There. Yeah, that. I can also do my thumb. See? I know, that's cheesy. But can everyone see this? Wow. Can y'all do that? Isn't it amazing? You know, not everyone can do this. I didn't know that. That's a rare talent right there. I know they're stuck. Okay. Okay, well, good night, everybody. And don't forget the key.